Energy Products Distribution, or EPD, has been a master distributor of 3M architectural and automotive films and coatings since 1985. Part of what we do is make sure that individuals know how to install the various products we sell. We do that through EPD University, a 3M certified training facility located in Baltimore, Maryland. EPD University offers installation training programs to provide hands-on instruction to aspiring film technicians. We offer automotive courses such as paint protection film, vinyl wrap film, automotive window film, paint correction, and ceramic coatings. We also offer architectural courses such as flat glass window film and 3M DI-NOC. We have 3 in-house trainers at EPD University. Shawn Hobson is the lead trainer and has 35 years of industry experience, with 10 years as a trainer. His understanding of various films, along with his bedside manner, make him a fantastic trainer who continues to be a resource for trainees well after training. Marian Georgakis, or Mother Marian as she's known within the industry Facebook groups, has been in the vinyl film industry for about 30 years. She has performed national installations for the U.S. Department of Transportation, U.S. Postal Service, and Budweiser. She has experience installing vinyl on cars, trucks, SUVs, buses, and tractor trailers, as well as walls, windows, and floors. Pam Rizzi has been in the window film industry for 24 years and provides customers with on-site automotive film training. Not only does she teach trainees how to install film on glass and paint, she also shows them how to operate the hardware and software required to cut film patterns. Pam is also well versed in flat glass. Our courses will teach you everything from installing sun control window film in skyscrapers to applying PPF on Ferraris and Lamborghinis. To learn more about EPD University, visit our website and click on Training.